Is that Benny? What is this thing? Art. It's artwork. Here's the pond right here. Go, Benny, go. Here's the pond. Benny, look. Look for any ducks. These are where all the names of the birds are that can be seen here in this area. And there's another wall over here. These are all cutouts of birds. And here's their names. All these birds live in this area. What do you think, Benny? Lots of birds? We don't see any yet, do we? It's kind of a windy day, so we can't really even hear any birds. Yeah. What do you see down there, Benny? Look at him, he's being suspicious.
Yeah, something under there.
Maybe there's an animal that lives under there. Okay, Benny, come on. I don't want it to be a skunk and then spray you. I hear some birds singing. Hey, Benny, we're going to go for a walk in this little park. It's a bird park, so we're supposed to see lots of birds, but it's kind of windy, so the wind is taking away the noises. I do hear a red-winged blackbird, and we heard a robin. Benny. He smells something. His tail's down. Probably deer walked on this path, huh? Because they're out in the wild. Look at all this. It's just a big forest. Okay, keep going a little bit longer. I don't want to go too far. What did you hear? You heard a bird? Oh. I hear birds over here though. It's less windy over here. Alright. Yeah, there's some bird houses that has been put there for the birds, the special birds. I think for the swallows, the barn swallows that come here. And the bluebirds.
Yellow warbler.
Oh, where is it? Look at Benny's tail. He smells some critters. Some critters. Is there bears here?
It's an American tippet.
I think it's getting a little bit too tall, all this grass. And honestly, I don't know if there's ticks attached to this, so we're going to turn around. It's less windy up here. Okay, there's supposed to be lots of... Oh, there's some seagulls up there. There's yellow warblers singing in the trees behind us. There it is. It's right there. I see it. Look up.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, there he is.
It's beautiful.
Look at the moon.
Not sure if you can... Yeah. Beautiful. Not so sure if you can see it through the camera, but it's right in that tree.
Yeah,
Beautiful. Come on, Benny. Let's see what else we can find. Let's see what else. It's Benny's first time here at this park, so he's very cautious and wondering where we are.
Hey, buddy. You're funny. Get on it.
Oh, look at this beautiful view of Lake Ontario. Beautiful. Pretty. Come on, Okay, no, no, no. I don't want him in the grass. Come here. Too many chicks in there, buddy. As soon as I let him off the leash, he goes into the bush. It's so beautiful in here. So pretty. Benny, you like it in here? Oh, here's the lake, Benny. Beautiful. That's a steep hill. I'm not going to go down there because it's going to be hard to get back up.
Water's going on. That's what we're doing.
Oh, look at the water. It's pretty shallow right there.
Yeah, it's.
It's shallow. I've never seen it shallow before.
They
Beautiful.
changed it all around here.
Yeah. Hey, Benny, pull me up the hill. Good job, Benny. You want to go that way? Okay, you don't have to pull me no more. Benny! Up here. Good boy. Sit. King in the castle. There's a bunny up there. And a bird. See it on the left side? I don't want to scare it. Oh, so pretty. Not even running away. Aww. Just sitting there. There it goes. Bye.